Hey everybody, it's Danny here at Danny Reviews, and this is a 10-pack solar fence light set. What I really like about these is that one, it has the solar panel to keep the lights charged throughout the night, so it's going to use the sun all day, and then it's got 4 LED lights, and what I really like is that you're going to mount it here, like so, right? Sun's going to be able to hit it, but it's got lights that face up and lights that face down. And it's also RGB. So let's go ahead and change our colors, and you can see here, you can mount this probably midway on your fence post to get that light to shoot up and down. And when I put my hand over the sensor, you can see it comes on and we can change that color to whites, yellows, reds, greens, blues, purples. How cool that is. And it gives you this nice effect. You do get 10 of these. They come packaged nicely in bubble wrap. You can pull off this to protect the solar panel there. They also give you some adhesive backing. So if you didn't want to drill in, you can use these double-sided adhesive backings that would just go along back here like so, right? You lift it and you can stick it and that'll stay on good. Or if you wanted to drill, because they do include the screws as well, they also give you this template guide here, which is really nice to get those mounted. So you can see here how they come act really well. And then tonight we'll go ahead and take a look at what one looks like on the fence. I'm gonna mount this one probably midway so you can see that effect, how the light beams up and down. Stay tuned. All right, check out these lights at night. What I love is that there's 4 lights, 2 facing up, 2 facing down. Again, you have your solar panel facing out, so it'll recharge throughout the day. And at night, it comes on automatically. And you can go ahead and have this mounted. It does come with some adhesive mounts. So you can put this on your railing as I'm showing you here. I still have to decide where I'm going to put them. You can put them like midway, right? So then you can get this like cast of light aiming up and down. I really like the pattern. And again, you can go ahead and cycle through to different colors. There's a button on the bottom, which is nicely convenient because it's on the bottom. It's not going to get weathered by the rain. It's going to be protected, and you can go through and cycle through all the different colors so you can have a nice festive look in your backyard, on your patio, on your deck, and really cool to showcase, and highlight some of your posts, some of your fence posts as well. So really like this, and I really like these. And again, shout out to the company for gifting me these so I could do a review.